I'm not crazy about the smell of this product. It doesn't like, it's not a bad smell. However, it just lingers, right? Like, you know, when you just really love a person, like you really just love them like cold-heartedly, but they just talk too much. And then after so long, you just get irritated. That's how I feel about this smell. Like, it just stays around too long and it just irritates my life.
What's up, people? Jheri J here. Hey, and if you want to take control of your 4C hair life, start today. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let's jump in.
So my hair is freshly washed and deconditioned. So just so you know, I use her Babassu Oil Mint Deconditioner, if you was curious. So my hair feels amazing, and we're gonna apply the leave-in first. I'm already in love with the leave-in. I just do not care for the smell of this product. I mean, it's not bad. It's kind of like, it just lingers, right? We're gonna add my own DIY oil to it. Now the twisting souffle. This product, I could dig the texture. Like, I really can dig the texture. It is a little bit thick, but not like really, really thick. So I appreciate that. The slip factor on this product is great. I mean, it's supposed to be a cream, so it's not supposed to be like amazing where, you know, your hands is just slipping off like the leave-in. The leave-in has more slip than the actual cream, but that's okay with me. Now, it feels great going onto the hair, but the true question is, how is it when it dries? So I'm going to twist this up. Here is the twist. Now, this product does feel moisturizing. Like, I feel like I've kind of overlooked this product. So it does feel moisturizing. So for the sake of this video not being too long, I'm gonna come back to you after my twist dry. I'm gonna finish the rest of my head off camera. I just wanted to show you one twist. This is day 6 hair. No refresh. I did twist up at night, but can you believe it? Just look. So let's talk some final thoughts. I came to you with day 6 hair, and the reason why I did that, because day 1, day 2 hair always look good. Like, it always look good because it's new, right? But here is day 6 hair, and although it's not like max moisturized, it still feels awesome. Now, before I jump into this review, I do want to let you know that I kept my twist in for 3 days. And I took them out for Valentine's Day, and it was 2 degrees in my area. So I drove down south for Valentine's Day, and when I say south, I mean southern Illinois, and it was -6. So for this hair to feel the way that it feels in -6 weather, yep, I approve. The cream is thick, but not like too thick. and I don't want to take the product out and like put it on my fingers because it's that good. I don't want to waste it. I use the leave-in from the same line with her twisting souffle, and I gotta say this combination is dope. Like seriously dope. It doesn't have a lot of slip, but it's a twisting cream. You really can't expect much slip in twisting cream. However, the leave-in makes up for the slip that this twisting cream is lacking, and they go great together. Mind you, I did not have a pH balance product in my lock method, so for the way that my hair feels right now, I definitely approve. Like really approve. I can tell you that it is time to wash my hair. Like I said, it's not max, but is it on my staples list though? Like, yes, absolutely. Must warn you though, you cannot be heavy-handed with this item here. I did notice like quite a few flakes. However, not a lot. And the area that I noticed it in, I went heavier on the product. So if you want to try out this product, do not be heavy. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. So that's fantastic because it's 12 ounces, and I do believe that this one single jar like could last me quite a long time. I'm talking a couple of months, if not a year, you know, in rotation with other products. That's my final thoughts, y'all. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this product nor the leave-in. The only con that I can think about is I'm not fond of Mielle's scents. Like, I'm just not fond of it, but it's not loud in the cream. However, it is loud in the leave-in, and I'm thinking once I pair my A1 leave-in with this twisting souffle, that my hair is gonna be like truly like max moist, like what I'm used to on day 8, day 9, and I won't have to like, you know, hurry up my wash day. So yeah, I approve. Let me know if you tried these items in the comments below. Natural Hair Life group, yes, absolutely. This is most definitely eligible for a giveaway prize. Yes, just yes. Just yes. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Until next time, in between time, I appreciate you guys. I cannot believe it. Ugh.